modulus of 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota minus 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota. Yes, modulus means this is modulus 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota minus 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota. This is modulus. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ని మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి. సో 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota. సో దీన్ని conjugate of denominator. So rationalizing the denominator means 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota. That equals to this is numerator's multiplication by denominator. 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota. So 1 plus iota square. That equals to this is a minus b into a minus b into a plus b form. That is a square minus b square iota square. So that equals to a plus b whole square form a square 1 square plus b square iota square plus 2ab 2 into 1 into iota by this is a square minus b square means 1 minus iota square 1 minus iota square. That equals to here 1 square is 1 plus iota square plus 2 into iota by here 1 minus iota square. Yes. Next 1 plus iota square value. Iota square value is 1 plus iota is minus 1 plus 2 iota by here 1 minus iota square value minus 1. That equals to 1 plus into minus minus 1 plus 2 iota by 1 minus into minus plus 1. That equals to plus 1 minus 1 getting cancelled. 2 iota by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 ones are cancelled. That is iota. First one is iota. The second. Next second 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota. So this is the conjugate of denominator or the rationalized denominator. 1 minus iota by 1 minus iota. That equals to the two multipliers say 1 minus iota square by this 1 a plus b into a minus b format 1 square minus iota square. That equals to a minus b whole square into a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is 1 minus iota square. So that equals to 1 square is 1 iota square value minus 1 minus 2 into iota by here 1 minus iota square value minus 1. So that equals to 1 plus into minus minus 1 minus 2 iota by 1 plus into minus into minus plus plus that equals to 1 1 cancel. So minus 2 iota by 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 iota by 2. So here 2 ones are cancelled. Here is minus iota. Next modulus now. Modulus is equals to this value iota, this value minus iota. So modulus that equals to iota minus into minus plus iota. So iota plus iota is 2 iota. 2 iota. Modulus is this. This is answer. 2. Yes, ఈ వీడియో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు లైక్ చేయండి. ఈ షార్ట్ని ప్రతి ఒక్కరు లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.